Let's start up north in Egypt. The country's state-owned telecommunications operator Telecom Egypt has signed an agreement with Huawei to deploy 5G networks across the North African country. Now, authorities say that the rollout of this new tech could potentially revolutionize Egypt's telecommunications landscape and usher in a new era of connectivity. Here's Yasser Hakim with this report.
Introducing 5G network is a priority for the Egyptian government's Vision 2030 digital transformation strategy. With speeds 100 times faster than the current 4G broadband, the rollout of the 5G technology aligns with Egypt's ambitious economic drive to build smart cities, revamp public services, accelerate smart manufacturing, and improve transportation.
The Egyptian economy is opening up to all forms of investments and has to have the proper infrastructure to attract businesses, and innovative solutions are key with the 5G network. Individuals as well as the education and health sectors, remote learning jobs and the banking sector will all benefit from 5G.
China's tech giant Huawei has been chosen to lead Egypt's game-changing initiative. A partnership with the state-owned Telecom Egypt, owner of WE mobile operator, will see 5G high-speed internet services rolled out by the end of the year.
Huawei is one of the world leading industry players in this domain, actually, and they are advancing their telecom or the 5G technology to the maximum. That's why it's becoming one of the most leading companies all over the world in the domain of 5G, and of course that's why it has a good footprint in the international market.
Telecom Egypt, one of 4 mobile operators in the market, received the license to install and operate 5G network in the North African country in January at a cost of $150 million. According to a statement from Telecom Egypt, Huawei has already established 5G sites in hotspot areas in Egypt and will build the required infrastructure nationwide.
Establishing partnership between Egyptian companies and Chinese counterparts will open new horizons for development, because this kind of industry by nature is very advanced industry, and of course this needs a way to have a sort of knowledge transfer, building real partnership, having a real cooperation, building new business models, building new innovative solutions for the current challenges that needs a high-speed internet. So it's an ongoing process.
It's been a fierce competition between Huawei and its US and European rivals over what's considered a major market in the Middle East and North Africa. Egypt, which is Arab world's most populous nation, has a fast-growing population with a large segment of residents that lacks access to internet, making it attractive for potential growth.
The Egyptian market is promising with nearly 110 million population. 60% of them are youth that constantly use mobile phones, the internet and high-tech in everything. There is e-learning and remote working. The education, health and financial sectors depend on 5G, and the government's digital transformation strategy will accelerate the need for 5G services and significantly increase the number of users.
According to Telecom Egypt, only 8% of Egyptians own mobile phones that support 5G internet services. Officials said the rollout of the first phase of the project is expected to target businesses and institutions. Yes, Hakim for CGTN, Cairo, Egypt.